Okay, given for 1.17 sum, the price of the three commodities X, Y, Z or prices are given as small x, y, z respectively. Mr. Anand purchases 6 units of Z and sell 2 units of X, 3 units of Y. Mr. Amar purchases a unit of Y and sells a unit of X and 2 units of Z. Mr. Amit purchases a unit of X and sells 3 units of Y and a unit of Z. In this process, they earn 5,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees and 5,500 rupees respectively. Find the prices per units, how much units of three commodities by ranking method. So by using the ranking method, you are going to find the answers X, Y, Z. First, we will assume the given price of commodities of X, Y, Z as small x, y, z, prices as X, Y, Z respectively. Now given data, you write it in XYZ form. Transactions X, Y, Z, earnings you write it. First one, Mr. Anand purchase. Here purchasing we are taking it in the negative symbol and selling it is taken under positive symbols. So Mr. Anand purchases 6 units of Z and that is purchasing you are taking minus. So Z is minus 6 and sells 2 units to Z, X and 3 units to Y. So plus 2 and plus 3. You put it in the X column. Plus 2 and Y column plus 3. Similarly, Mr. Amar purchases a unit from Y. So purchase is coming under the minus. So a unit means minus 1 in this Y and from Y and sells a units to X. No, 3 units. And that this 3 what he has purchased from Y is 3 units to X and then 2 units to Z. Similarly, Amit's purchase a unit of X. So from X that is purchases minus 1 and sells 3 units to Y and units to Z. Sells means comes under plus. So plus 3 and plus 1 comes under YZ. That is what the given data you are putting it in the XYZ form. So first XYZ small XYZ equation you have to frame it. So Mr. Anand, Amit, Amar purchases and sells units, you mark it. And they earn in this process is 5,000, 2,000, 5,500 accordingly. The prices per units in XYZ form you have to find it. After selling and commodities, the prices you have to find it. XYZ prices you have to find it. So using ranking method you are going to find it. So matrix form you put the equation. So write the equation first. 2x 3y minus 6z is 5,000. 3x minus y plus 2z is 2,000. Minus x plus 3y plus z is 5,500. First write the equation from the given question. Next you have to find the XYZ using the matrix form. So write the coefficient A matrix. 2, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3 and minus 6, 2 and 1. That is your A matrix. Next X matrix is X, Y, Z. 3 unknowns you have. So X, Y, Z, the prices only. Write it in the X unit. X matrix. Then B matrix is your constants, the price, earnings, 5,000, 2,000 and 5,500. So given matrix form AX is equals to B. Find the argument of AB. Combining A and B, write it AB argument matrix. Then using the elementary transformation you have to bring this to the equivalent form. That means the row 2, row 3 elements to be 0. Here row 2 is 3. So what you have to do? Here they are interchanging row 1 and row 3. Okay, row 1 and row 3 interchange means you will have like this minus 1, 3, 1. The row 3 elements goes to this row 1. And row 1 elements 2, 3, minus 6, 0, 5,000 comes to the row 3. After transforming again row 1, your row 1 multiply by minus 1. Like this. So your row 1 becomes minus 1 becomes plus 1, 3 becomes minus 3, 1 becomes minus 1, 5,500 becomes 5,000 minus 5,500. Okay, next step we are going to do is R2. The row 2 you are going to make the element as 0. Row 2, row 3 elements to make it as 0. So row 2 is 0 means you have to multiply row 1 by 3 and subtract from the row 2. So your row 2 becomes 0, 8, 5, 18,500. Similarly, row 3 elements you have 2. So subtract, that is row 1 multiply by 2 and then subtract from row 3. So your row 3 becomes 0, 9, minus 4, 16,000. So next step is you have to eliminate this triangle element 9 also. Row 3 element, second element 9 also you should eliminate. So for that you are dividing this row 3 by 9. Also dividing the row 2 also by 8. This first element, that element by 8. So if you divide that, row 2 becomes 0, 1, 5 by 8, 18,500 by 8, and row 3 becomes 0, 1, minus 4 by 9. So because row 2 you are dividing by 8, row 3 you are dividing by 9, 4 by 9, 16,000 by 9. Next up you are subtracting row 3 and row 2. So you will get the triangle element 0 like this. When you find the determinant of A and determinant of AB, you will get 3 by 3. So the rank of A and AB is 3, which is equal to the number of unknowns. So this is a condition for unique solution. So the given system is consistent and has a unique solution. So solving this argument equivalent form matrix, A matrix and then X matrix, and this last column, fourth column as B matrix, solving that X, Y, Z, you will get the X as 1000, Y is 2000, Z is 500. Hence the prices per unit for 3 commodities is, write it in rupees, okay, 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, 500 rupees. That is your X, Y, Z prices.